It's gonna go all the way to that elf.
The first time he meets a tree, he immediately tries to climb it. He climbed every tree around the jewel box. He's gotten into some scary situations where the leash gets stuck, but he was fine. He jumped right on into the bag, almost on his own.
I can't get him down if he goes higher than that, maybe.
He's chasing things, he's smelling things, he's rubbing up on things. He's very much like a little tiger.
Mowgli. We started going to parks when he was 6 months old. The day we first started, we would take 10 steps and he would meow, so he would come back next day. And then after a week, he started enjoying the outdoors. We realized he was actually curious. We got a little backpack for him so that he gets familiar with the sand. He has made us understand the importance of enjoying little things in life. And I would think, oh, I never realized this tree here, it's beautiful. He would be curious about everything.
Take it, take it. Oh my goodness.
Mowgli does a lot to cheer us up. If we're feeling really sad or feeling sick, he comes and just starts purring on us.
Mowgli.
We met Mowgli at the Humane Society of Missouri.
At first, he hid under the table, and then he hid under the bed for like 30 minutes. But then he came up to our bed and he started purring on me. And he has been a purring machine ever since.
He has brought a lot of joy into our household. He is a very friendly kitty that loves to spend time with us. It's pure joy.